Instagram with two accounts. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app on your Android by the Play Store, then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram. Then you have to click on the plus sign, add down, click on it, and then post here any random picture from your gallery. Then click on next, again click on next option. By scrolling, you find that post to other Instagram accounts. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Then click on other accounts. Now click on continue. Now you can see that your post can be added to other accounts as well. So that was all. You can do this on your, then click on share. Now you can see that your post will be shared to other accounts as well. Now that was all. You can do this on your Android as well as in your iPhone. I hope you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.